Hey y'all, welcome back to episode 5 of my church supper series. And today I have 2 really good recipes you're going to want to have on hand for the summer. We're going to be using lots of those fresh veggies and fruits that are all popping up at our farmers markets right now. So first we're going to make this little kind of dessert with some strawberries, blueberries. I'm just using my trifle bowl here and I've just added some whipped topping to that. And now I'm adding 3 little containers of strawberry yogurt. We really like these Oikos, the 000 kind. My kids even love them. They're super creamy. So you just add those in, any kind that you want, of course. And then you're going to need 1 box of Cheesecake Jello mix. You're going to add that in, and then you're just going to mix everything until it's combined. Next to the bowl, I'm just adding 1 pound of freshly sliced strawberries. And then I thought I would add some blueberries as well, since we're coming up on Memorial Day and the 4th of July. Perfect for summer. And then also, I'm going to stir those first, and then I'm also going to add some mini marshmallows. So this is the perfect little addition to your cookout side dishes. Just something cool and refreshing, a little bit sweet, got some fruit in there. Both kids and adults will love this one. And also, as always, I'll have all my recipes typed out below in the description box, so make sure you head down there so you can try out these recipes for yourself. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Jen, and I share a mixture of all things here on my channel. I share some healthy recipes, a lot of kind of down-home southern recipes, decorating, all sorts of things. So if that sounds like things you'd be interested in, I would love to have you join over here. But if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I love to be able to see you guys each week, and y'all let me know what y'all want me to cook, next week or coming up. What are some recipes that you might just need a twist on, or maybe you need a new idea? Let me know down in the comments. Now I want to take a second to show y'all my new favorite kitchen tool, which is this beautiful chef's knife from Mason. This thing is amazing. Easily my favorite knife I own and have ever owned. It is super well made, has a sloped handle for easier and safer chopping. It's made from high grade stainless steel, so it's excellent quality while staying at a good price. It's actually like 2 or 3 times less expensive than your other high premium quality knives out there. So Darren and I both have been loving this knife from Mason. If I get to use it, he is normally the one who steals my chef's knives and things like that, but you can see this seriously makes all of our prep work so easy. Everything from just everyday dinners to chicken to our meal preps we've been doing for the week. You can see how it just glides through everything like butter. Everything from our squash to even little itty bitty things like these strawberries here. This knife can seriously do everything. And it actually is meant to replace a whole set of knives in your kitchen. So if you got some old knives in there, you need a whole brand new set, well, you only need to buy one, and it is this Mason chef's knife. I promise you are going to love this thing. Y'all know I'm all about the reviews on something, and this one had over 7,500 5-star reviews from both people who make a living right from their kitchen to your everyday home cook. And me personally, I kind of feel like I fall into both of those categories, so I knew that this knife was going to be perfect for me. Y'all make sure to click that link in my description box and use the promo code CCR for 20% off your first order. Again, that's promo code CCR for 20% off your first order. Y'all are going to love these, and thank you to Mason for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So speaking of chopping all of that wonderful summer squash, I'm going to show you the best squash casserole. Y'all need this for summertime. Look at those beautiful yellow squash. Also, by the way, I'm having this recipe, but it made a ton, perfectly enough for our family, which is a family of 4. So to a large bowl here, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You're going to need 1 can of cream of chicken soup. To that, I'm also going to add 1 small diced onion. We're going to add 1 egg, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then about 4 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. We're going to mix that all together. Once everything is combined, you're just going to bring back over those squash, and you're just going to pour your cheese and egg mixture all over your squash, just kind of tossing that around a little bit, stirring around. Make sure each squash has its own little portion of this delicious cheese sauce. Next, I'm just going to bring over my baking dish, give that a good spray with some cooking spray, and pour our squash and our cheese and all that goodness into the baking dish. Now we're going to make a quick little topping for the top, obviously, because you know that's what a topping is. But of course, a casserole would not be Jen style if it didn't have some buttery Ritz Crackers or cornflakes on top. So that's what we're gonna do. You melt half a stick of butter, and then I'm using a half a tube of Ritz Crackers, all crushed up. You just want to stir those together, get all the crackers nice and buttery, kind of sprinkle that on top, and this is gonna bake at 350 for the first 30 minutes covered with some aluminum foil, and then you'll uncover it and it'll bake an additional 20 or 30 minutes, and you want those crackers to get a nice golden brown on top. Y'all saw and heard how bubbly and delicious this gets. It is so good, perfect for any summertime meal, whether you're grilling something outside and then want to have something a little bit more cozy and comforting on the side. Y'all are going to love this if you've never tried it. Of course, I'll have it linked down below for you or typed out. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you are loving this church supper series. Please provide your feedback. Please let me know if you are down in the comments below. I would love to hear from y'all. And also, don't forget to go over there and check out Mason and use code CCR for 20% off your first order. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. I can't wait to see y'all in the next one. I hope y'all have a good weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye, y'all.